There's nothing to take a video of. Take it off me! You got Ava Leone once again just taking random videos over here like at 4:30 in the morning at a Whataburger drive-thru.
So it's okay because I'm beautiful.
Anyways,
this is Ava Leone after hours.
Again.
After Patron shots.
Hold on, when the fuck did you take Patron shots?
After Jaeger shots.
You're a bitch.
After Patron
Where
and
the hell
Jaeger.
was I? It's okay, she never gives a shit about me. She doesn't fucking, include me in these shots or whatever the hell. It's okay.
And I had like 5 or 6 drinks.
No wonder you're all pendeja.
Cause I'm all good. And
You're a fucking bitch.
I'm fucked up.
You're a pendeja. That's it. No, I'm not driving. I'm gonna fucking drive out of the Whataburger.
What the fuck?
Oh, you're not getting one.
Bitch, I want Whataburger.
Bitch. Do you think you deserve it after lying to me?
What the fuck did I lie about? What the fuck?
Oh, we don't like the Patron shot.
Bitch, I offered you the Patron shot.
You're such a liar. No, you did not win.
I gave it to that fucking girl walking by because I couldn't take it.
Oh.
I took like half of it.
Trust. Next weekend, it's
Do you
going
like
down.
my dress?
Oh, you know what? Look, it's probably gonna cut off. What are you doing?
I'm showing them my dress.
Okay, next weekend, it's going down because it's my birthday. Trust, we're gonna be taking Patron shots, any shots, whatever the fuck, it's going down. Everyone, this is how they're gonna be. Out. She's gonna be out too. Look.
So,
everyone's gonna be out.
hurry the fuck up, bitch, I'm hungry.
Again, she's gonna be all kinds of pissy.
So?
How much was it? Because I'm not paying. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, calm down.
Do y'all think I'm beautiful? Tell me yes. Tell me no. Lie to me.
No, she's beautiful. She's the most beautiful queen on earth.
Just
make you feel ow. Just make you feel better. Because it's true. What the fuck?